In this part, we are going to learn about how to install a printer to the AuraQuantic server. What is it for? To print documents automatically from processes. Who is it for? Server administrators. How can you get it? Windows Server options. And what are the requirements for its use? To have the printer connected to the server. It says the function is performed by AuraQuantic engine through one of the printers installed on the server that houses the engine. For this reason, the chosen printer must be installed on that server. If the printer does not appear to be selected from the system task, it may be because a firewall or similar exists between the local computer and the server. In this case, the system task must be configured from the server itself. It is important to execute these operations from an open session in the server with the user of the engine, since the configuration of the printers is done by user. Its use in processes is done through the corresponding object, system task, with the function print panel documents, whose configuration details were already seen in the advanced course. So if we go to the application now, and we go to the process we went before, for example, test 1, we can go to system task, and in type of system task, we just need to choose uploader and the function prints panel documents. Okay, and continue. And in destination, we have to select a printer that I have previously should have configured in the server. Here I only have 2 printers, but I don't have any configured in the server. If I had one configured, it will show up here, and that's the one I would have to choose. Okay, if I have configured it and it doesn't appear, then I will have to go to the server and configure it from there. And this shall be all for this part.